see what's on Death Tube today. Not anything interesting. Really call the guys up for a movie night. Come on, dude. Oh, hey, Jason! How you doing, guys? Yeah, I'm just wondering if you wanted to come over and watch some films. Alright. Well, hey, maybe if you want, you can bring some of our other friends over. We're going to most likely watch some, like, David Lynch, possibly some Japanese films and stuff. Just have some fun. And all that. Yeah. Sure. I'll make sure to pick up some of the special gummy bears along with some damn good drinks. So we'll see what we get with that. Alright, well. Oh, go ahead and bring them along if you want. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go get supplies, and we'll meet you here in, like, at 5 or so. Alright, see you then. Home. Oh wait, I forgot I'm not married. Yeah. Oh, let's get stuff set up. Here. Whoa, that popped at me. Yo, we're cooking, we're popping, yo, we're fucking cooking and popping. Yeah, gonna have a movie night. Yeah. I said that. Poppin', yeah, man. Man, this takes a lot. This is a lot weirder than just going for like a regular just tossing the blade microwave one. Can't believe my friend likes this variation. You pop me right, baby, right round. Really don't smell like some firm popcorn in there. Ooh, it smells like fire. Yeah, that's a good movie. Hello? Oh, I forgot. I called Jason earlier today. You're supposed to come here with a few people. Again? Why is this happening? Alright. Fucking Jason. Again? No, not answering it. Not answering it. Let's continue film. Better be there this time. What? This will definitely make me feel better. Okay. Ethan says he's here this time. Hopefully it is. This night's been fucked. Alright. Sit down, watch a movie, not really care if anything happens. And if I open this door, hopefully this time it's Jason, anyone else. Jason! Jason, get up! Come on, Jason, let's go! Come on! Okay. None of this is real. Let's go. Oh. My head. Jason.